How to cancel Airbnb without penalty. You can cancel an Airbnb reservation without penalty by using one of the following official channels, which is free cancellation window. Check your specific reservation details under the trips page to see if your host uses a flexible or moderate policy. All you have to do is open the Airbnb application, look at that specific Airbnb profile. From here, scroll downwards, and you should be able to find if this exact property is flexible or moderate. Now, once you check this, you can cancel up to 24 hours or 5 days before the check-in for a full refund. And also, you can cancel without penalty if your trip is disrupted by unexpected government travel restrictions, declared public health emergencies, or natural disasters. And also, message your host directly via the application. If they agree to waive the penalty, ask them to send you a cancellation request or refund agreement through the resolution center. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.